And today we're going to be doing a bike check on my Carrera Vulcan. We're going to start from the front to the rear. So if we go to the bottom, we've just got a generic WPP wheel. Original with a lot of Carreras. I'm putting a normal rim one on it because this one's buckled. So a normal quick release. Then we go up to the forks. SR Suntours, I don't know what brand. They say it on the back somewhere, I can't remember where, but there we go. XET. Where does it say? XET. In the video, which really annoys me. So yeah, it has XETs. Now we go to the top part of the bike. It has a wake stem, short one. It's got a chip in it. Then we've got Truitive 680 bars, not the best in the world. We move on to the shifter, the front shifter. We have a Shimano 3-speed. I had to change it because the old shifter was broken and I need to go between gears. Works. Then we have this left shifter, just a normal 8-speed. We go to the brakes. Zoom hydraulic brake. We have a Light Pro Golden headset. I'm ending the video, sorry about that. But it has, yeah, Light Pro headset. This stem here. Just to look at it. So yeah. Good, just a crankset. Just a ceramics 4 derailleur here. Truitive crankset. This is buckled, as you can see. I'm changing that crank as well. Just got an Octo 8-speed chain. It's been replaced yesterday, literally. It's your normal 5x4 derailleur. It's bent, so I'm going to change it. It's got a brand new cassette on here. Needs proper lube, this bike does. But yeah, it's a pretty nice setup. It's got a Tektro. It's got a hydraulic. Zoom right here. Bikes really well. All works. It's got this Bontrager seat. Peregrine XC race seat. It's pretty terrible, to be honest. It's got this quick release skewer here. And yeah, that's my Carrera Vulcan. It's got a generic back wheel. I'm probably going to change to WPP when I can. If I can, because this one's got a buckle in. Still wheelie it. And yeah, thanks for watching this review or bike check. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.